Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your MyDoge wallet address. Keep watching the video till the end. To find your MyDoge wallet address, firstly open up your MyDoge application. The home page of MyDoge application will appear on the screen. To find your MyDoge account's wallet address, tap on Receive option. On the next page, you can see your MyDoge wallet address displayed on the screen. You can either copy or scan your wallet address QR code as well. This is how you can find your MyDoge wallet address quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.